The small intestine is made up of 4 tissue layers. The first layer is serosa, and it is made of thin layers of connective tissue, and it helps to reduce the friction from the muscularis. The muscularis is the second layer, and it is responsible for gut movement. The submucosa is the third layer, and it is made of dense layers of connective tissue. And the final layer is the mucosa. It is the innermost layer, and it secretes digestive enzymes and hormones.
Macronutrients are the body's main source of energy, and they are the carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. The most important process for absorption to happen is the establishment of an electrochemical gradient of sodium across the epithelial cell boundary of the lumen. Some macronutrients take longer to absorb than others. For example, fats and proteins take longer than carbohydrates because the enzymes that break down carbs are released earlier in the digestive process. There are two primary ways that the nutrients pass through the small intestine: passive diffusion and active transport absorption.
Active transport absorption means the nutrient requires a helper molecule to get into the intestinal wall, out in general circulation. After all this, the enzymes of the small intestine break down carbohydrates into monosaccharides, proteins into small peptides, amino acids, and neutral fats into monoglycerides and fatty acids.
The small intestine is divided in 3 parts, and they are the duodenum, where the digestion begins, the jejunum, where some nutrients are absorbed and it is covered by a mucous membrane, and the ileum, where vitamin B12, bile, and some salts are absorbed. Passive diffusion is a process where the nutrients pass from the small intestine to the bloodstream.